In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of disabling email notifications for tips on X, Twitter, on your PC. Follow these simple steps to customize your Twitter settings and manage your email alerts effectively. To begin, click on your profile image located at the top right corner of your Twitter page. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access various account options. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the menu to proceed to the Settings page. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Email Notifications section. Within this section, you'll find the option to manage email alerts from updates on Twitter. Locate the specific category for tips, labeled as Tips on Getting More Out of Twitter, and uncheck this box to disable email notifications for these tips. After deselecting the Tips notification box, don't forget to save your changes by clicking on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. This ensures that your updated preferences are applied successfully. By following these steps, you can easily turn off email notifications for tips on X, Twitter on your PC, allowing you to customize your Twitter experience and reduce unnecessary email clutter. Take control of your notification settings and enjoy a more tailored Twitter experience tailored to your preferences.